Here it is, the time machine. It's in good condition.
Let me see. Wow! Look at that! What does it do?
It does this. And when you drive it,
Ala, oh! Let me see. Do it again.
yung video.
Let me see.
It does this.
Oh, the time turns. I mean, the clock turns. Please, let me see.
Then here's Doraemon sitting
Yes,
in
that's
there.
Doraemon.
And the deep. Next, I'm going to open the metallic.
It's called Miraculous Science.
No.
Pressure below.
Doraemon.
No, pressure below air
cannon.
cannon. Okay.
No, it's metallic. But we call it metallic.
Subscribe to our channel, guys.
It's just because it's metallic.
Okay,
Open.
back to you, Kuya.
Open.
Hi, Kuya. Open it. Oh, wait. Okay, Kuya, can I do it next? Can I do it next?
Yes. Well, hold on. Let's see.
Here's the
What
metallic.
does it do? What does it do? Oh, let me see.
It does a cannon.
Oh,
See, it has an angry face.
oh, where's the sticker?
That's not a sticker.
Oh, that's not a sticker. What does it do?
It does that.
Let me see. Oh, okay, great.
This is Magnetic Doodle Doraemon drawing board. And subscribe, guys, please. Okay, here we go. It's kind of hard. Okay.
Wow, what's that? Okay.
Doraemon drawing. Yes.
Oh, wow. Oh, it's a magnetic one.
That's magnetic.
Wow, cool.
But it's dangerous.
Why?
Because, you know why? Because keep away from some, I don't know, technology. 'Cause you might. This is wind power turbine tower. Okay, let's find out what it is. Because I don't know what it is. Oh my god! What the?
Let's see.
It has little balls. And what the? Who is this?
I think that's Doraemon's sister. I don't know. Oh, wow, that's so cool. Great.
Yeah,
So among the two, which one is your favorite?
I think everything.
Oh, okay.
And please subscribe, guys.
Okay.
I need to make it to 20 subscribers because 100 subscribers so we can celebrate.
Yep.
Yeah, and my mom's here. Say hello, Mom.
Hello. Okay.
And she got a new job because she got fired by.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. I think